How to not use any of your own money to start making $5,000 to $10,000 profit per month selling physical products online. Let's go. It's by using somebody else's money and paying 0% interest on that money. How do you do that? 0% interest credit cards. What do 0% interest credit cards mean? It means that you don't have to pay any interest on the money you borrow to build your business for 12 to 15 months. So what does that exactly mean? It's free money that you're borrowing for 12 to 15 months to build your business. So in that 12 to 15 months, which is plenty of time, right? You should be accruing $5,000 to $10,000 per month profit within 3 to 6 months in your business. So 12 to 15 months is more than enough time. And while you're making money and saving up all that money, it's gonna be super simple to pay off that credit card in 12 to 15 months. So stop having that negative notion of wanting to start a business and thinking, well, I don't have the money. Think of ways to get the money, which is a way that I just told you, 0% interest credit cards and leveraging debt to make more money. This is called good debt, guys. This is the same principle that other millionaires and billionaires use to start and grow their businesses, like Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, Mark Cuban, and so many more. So stop wasting your time and go make that money online. Let's go, baby.